Hey guys, for Honor Reviews, look to Fan Yikian. As a not so famous Honor blogger, today I'm going to unbox this Honor 600 Pro I have here. Let's get started. The packaging for this digital series actually has color and a glossy finish with a big 600 on it. Now let's reveal what it really looks like. As for the color, this one I have is called Lucky Star. According to the official specs, there are 4 color options in total. This is the flagship color. Do you see this shimmering casing? Now this is what you call art. Let's open it up and take a look. Holding the phone, it's just like the 500 series, same camera module layout. The feel and weight are pretty much the same too. Let's peel off the film and take another look. You can see 2 star rings on the back with lots of stars in the middle, and it has this rainbow-like texture under different lighting. The phone feels really nice in the hand. In terms of feel, it's just right. Not too big, not too small. Now let's take a look at its protective case. As you can see, the case has a traditional design with a cutout in the middle. Let me show you this. It really has a rainbow sheen. It catches the light beautifully. It looks absolutely stunning under the light. Now, let's talk about the size. I'll give you a quick comparison. It's slightly smaller than the Mix 8, but also a bit larger than the OnePlus 15T, so it sits right in the middle. It should be excellent for daily use. Comparing the 4 color options, the Lucky Star version is definitely the most unique. I asked some friends about it. The guys were pretty indifferent, but the girls all said they really loved this color. You could say this color scheme is tailor-made for the ladies. As for the camera module, compared to the exclamation mark design on the 500 Pro, is a significant improvement. It looks more harmonious and feels more premium. The camera bump is also quite well controlled. Overall, it's an iterative upgrade to the 500 Pro, with the industrial design having evolved once again. However, I noticed it doesn't have an AI button this time. As for the screen, it's said to have set a new record. Wow, the black border is only 0.98mm. You can see that the bezels are really narrow, and the overall screen to body ratio is very high, giving it a very high-tech feel. Let's also measure the weight, 206.6 grams, which is still within a reasonable range.
For now, I can only show you the exterior. I don't want to talk about the specs yet, mainly because it's a 3-piece assembly. Honestly, a lot of the info on the phone right now is all Greek to me. I can't even make sense of it myself. So I'll work on bringing you a detailed review later on. Stay tuned and bye for now.